Hi, this is Paul Glenn with Marinemax in Seabrook, Texas. We're here to present our new, our trade-in 2013 310 Sea Ray Sundancer. Up front, you'll notice we've got a remote control spotlight and a windlass anchor system. Full enclosure with eyes and glass. This boat has the extended bimini top on it as well, which gives you a lot more room inside. We have the curtains that go with this as well. One of the greatest features on this boat, it's got the extended swim platform. The standard platform ends right about here. This one's got a great extension on the back. Nice boarding ladder underneath. A little bit extra storage in here for your dock lines. This has the edge seat that actually collapses down to make a sun lounger. Freshwater shower here. Awesome electric grill. This boat is equipped with air conditioning, and it also has a generator to power up your grill and all the accessories on board. Really neat teak folding table. This stows neatly away down inside the closet down below. Moving forward, we've got some great electronics on here. We've got a 12-inch Raymarine C-Series GPS, fish finder, got all the goodies. Mercury SmartCraft gauge, digital throttle and shift. Nice walk through, nice and safe. You can get to the front of the boat without having to walk around the sides. Got a nice flip-flop lounger that can be pivoted to enjoy the conversation area. Also got a drop-up bolster you can use. Just want to lean to. Down below in the cabin, this boat's got a very unique layout. This dining area converts to a sleeper, as does this one. You have an extremely long bed here that you can make. This neatly folds away. You can drop your backrest down below and fold your table away. It also stores in the closet. Got some filler cushions that go in there. Got a nice refrigerator under here. Got your burner right there. Nice microwave here. Lots of storage. Anywhere there's a void, Sea Ray made good storage out of it. More closets up front, more cabinets up front. This boat's also got a very nice size head on it. Don't forget the TV here we have mounted on the wall. Good size head with the shower. And we have a double sleeper back in the back here as well. And you'll see the bag that we have our extra canvas in back there. Going to take a peek in the engine room. We have an electric engine hatch. Makes it real easy to pop her open and get access to your engines and batteries. We even have a few rod holders on this boat, so you can do a little bit of everything with your boat. Lots of drink holders. Good shot of the engine compartment there. Twin 5-liter multi-port injected Mercruisers. Lots of room in the engine compartment on this boat too. She's easy to service.